This Saturday afternoon here in Patong, outside of the mall, outside of Bangalore Road. The other side of that street is the famous 1111, right outside of Bangalore Road. So this is what I'm going to start out with today. San Miguel Light has fewer calories. 2 of these 88 baht, not too bad. Yeah, it's that time of the month again where I'm going out and drinking. So now I say to you, cheers. So on my way to Bangalore Road now, walking distance from the hotel that you've just seen, 99 Voyage, is about 10 minutes. Now as I'm walking to Bangalore Road, I'm working on my third San Miguel Light. And it's about midnight right now. So this is midnight right now in Patong Beach, the entrance to Bangalore. Bangalore pretty packed, as you can see. Let me zoom in. Hidden somewhere is the convenience store that I'm looking for. Just walking down that road just to get another drink, and like there's no 7-Eleven, no Family Mart here. But then I see this hidden, a Family Mart right here. I don't know, now you can see it. It doesn't sell beer after midnight, but the 1111 does. And if you think I'm joking, this is 1111. It's like a copy, but it's outside of Bangalore Road. And they do sell alcohol without restriction after midnight. $45 baht from 1111. You see that tour booking agency right here? Would be kind of funny if you go there. It's like, I want to book a tour. Where can I find, you know, like these kinds of ladies? 500 baht. You joke around. It's like you're planning a mongering trip, and they're like, yeah. So here you should say Pattaya, and then we do this. So this is drink number 4 of the night, Smirnoff Black Ice. Let's see. Back onto Bangalore Road. everybody's waiting for the rain to go away. And I'm just gonna go inside. Has shut down alcohol sale. I say 11-11 to the rescue. No, I don't want it. It's actually the first time that I've seen a 7-Eleven closed. It's 3 a.m. in the morning and this 7-Eleven is closed for whatever reason. Huh, that's interesting. So 4 in the morning right now, so you can see still people out.
วิ่งอยู่ว่าผือเอาใหม่ไว้ใหม่ไม่มีนักวัวเลยใครว่างเลยเนี่ยที่คิว
So it is early morning right now. I'm flying back to Bangkok. Didn't want to take the walk to the international terminal where they have a 7-Eleven, so I just got the 6-inch subway. Waiting for my flight. Okay, waiting for my flight to Bangkok. Alright, about to board the plane to Bangkok. Alright, so just arrived here in Bangkok. So this is where you get off, and right there is BTS Mojit, another 50 baht, and then you get to Asok.